Hello, ninth and 10th grade. It is very, very late, and I'm very tired, so I hope this still makes sense. But I just want to talk to you briefly about what you're doing for Thursday, April 2nd. So, according to our schedule, you should take the reading quiz for the third reading, which is actually chapter 2, and that's in the summative assessments folder. Again, remember, you get 5 chances to get all the points on that. So, go back and make sure you do it again if you don't get all the points. Then, if you're on schedule, you are reading chapter 3. I have the page numbers here, but you can also just look at the chapter and work on the reading guide. It's possible that you will complete it during your reading today. If you do so, that's great. You can go ahead and turn it in as a PDF. And if you have any time after you're done, which you may, work on the vocabulary assignment and turn it in if you complete it. And then you should be ready to go for tomorrow. Don't forget a couple of things. Don't forget about this general questions discussion. You can always come in here and drop a question in your group, and I will try to answer it. Also, down at the bottom, I'm putting the link to the WebEx videos that we did. Well, for you it's yesterday, for me it's today. And then the audios of each of the readings are here. They're MP3s. You shouldn't have to download them. You should be able to listen to them just right in the app because they're kind of big files. And per some people's request, I am going to do a WebEx drop-in, not necessarily a lesson, but a drop-in tomorrow for about the last 20 minutes of class for each class, okay? So a reminder of that. But otherwise, you can message me, you can send me questions. I'm going to be contacting families of people who haven't made much progress so far, just so we know that there's no barriers for you. But otherwise, I will see you guys in WebEx on Friday and talk to you electronically on Thursday.